Now that we're done with the fade, we moved on to our T outliners and we're sliding up his C cup, starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. Before we start to line him up, we're going to prep the hairline by combing all the baby hairs in place and debulking. When lining up the mustache, you want to be as gentle as possible because you could bite their lip with the teeth of the trimmer. Now that we're done prepping the line, we can start off in the middle and work our way to the sides. Make sure you take your time and make sure that the hair is feeding into the teeth of the trimmer. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible, and we're also going to be doing his eyebrows. Remember to apply shave gel and stretch the skin when using your razor, and always keep your razor at a 45-degree angle. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that we're done with our hairline, we can move on to the eyebrows.